Think you'd hear a spaceship zoom by in space? Nope, not even a peep. Here's the deal. Sound needs something to travel through, like air, water, or even solid stuff. But space, it's basically one giant empty vacuum. No air, no water, no nothing, just a whole lot of nothingness. So, if you screamed in space, nobody would hear you, not even the aliens. That's because sound is just vibrations, waves that bounce from particle to particle. No particles around, no sound at all. That's why astronauts only hear inside their helmets where there's air. Outside, dead silence. So next time you watch a movie with noisy space battles, remember, in real space it's all action, zero sound. And honestly, that's pretty cool. Hit like if your mind is blown.